Imagine graduating with a top-ranked master's in finance degree and stepping straight into a high-paying job at global financial powerhouse. Now, what if I told you that you could do all this while studying in one of the most beautiful and financially dynamic countries in the world? France offers one of the best Masters in Finance programs globally, and in today's video, I'll tell you why it's a top choice for finance students. France is home to some of the world's best business schools out there. HEC Paris, ESSEC, EDHEC, ESCP, and MIF all consistently run in the top 10 globally for financial programs. HEC Paris, for example, is often ranked as number 1 Masters in Finance program worldwide by the Financial Times. These schools have deep connections with financial hubs like London, New York, and Hong Kong, ensuring that graduates land jobs at top firms. Now, what sets these programs apart? They are designed in collaboration with industry leaders like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and BNP Paribas. So, what you learn is exactly what the finance world demands. Let's talk about job opportunities, because at the end of the day, your degree should pay off. French finance schools have some of the best employment statistics. For example, 99% of graduates secure a job within 3 months of graduation at HEC Paris, with an average starting salary of $150,000 3 years after post-graduation. Meanwhile, at EDHEC Business School, 94% of graduates land job within 3 months of their graduation, working in investment banking, asset management, and fintech. To talk about ESSEC, 92% of graduates secure full-time positions at leading firms across Europe and Asia. And you know what? France's location is a massive advantage. It's right in the heart of Europe, meaning students can access financial centers like London, Frankfurt, and Zurich. With companies like Morgan Stanley, BlackRock, and Citibank actively recruiting in France, students get exposure to global finance roles right after their graduation. Now, are you worried about tuition for studying in France? France has some of the best scholarship opportunities for international students. For example, the Eiffel Excellence Scholarship. Funded by the French government, this can cover up to 15,000 euros per year. And the Emile Bourtme Scholarship, aimed at international students, offers significant tuition fee reductions. Also, the HEC Paris Excellence Scholarship. These cover up to 50% of tuition fees based on academic merit. Many business schools in France also offer need-based scholarship. So, if you're a strong candidate but concerned about costs, there's plenty of financial aid available for you. And you know what? There's a huge advantage for international students. One of the biggest reasons to study in France? The ease of staying back after graduation. International students who complete a master's degree in France are eligible for a 2-year post-study work visa. This means you don't have to leave immediately after your graduation, which means you can stay back and work in France or elsewhere in Europe. And for Indian students, there's an added bonus. The France-India Young Professional Scheme allows Indian graduates to work in France for up to 2 years without a separate work permit. Isn't that nice? Once you secure a job, you can apply for a work visa or even the European Union Blue Card, which allows you to work anywhere in Europe. In many cases, if you work in France for up to 2 years or 5 years, you can even apply for permanent residency. While tuition in top finance schools in France can range from 20,000 euros to 45,000 euros, the overall cost of living is much lower as compared to cities like London or New York. For example, rent in Paris can be around 800 to 1,500 euros per month, and shared apartment can be even cheaper. Food and transport is approximately 1,600 euros per month. And to talk about health insurance, France offers a low-cost student healthcare, which can save you thousands of euros. And here's the best part. International students in France are allowed to work part-time, which is up to 20 hours per week, which can help cover your daily expenses. French Masters in Finance programs aren't just about classroom learning. They emphasize real-world experience. Internships are mandatory in almost all programs, ensuring that you graduate with practical experience. Many schools offer study trips to financial hubs like London and New York, allowing students to interact with top professionals in the industry. Access to Bloomberg terminals, training simulations, and fintech labs ensure you gain hands-on experience in the financial market. Most programs offer specializations in areas like investment banking, financial engineering, asset management, and corporate finance, giving students flexibility to choose their ideal career path. France is a financial powerhouse in Europe, and studying here means you get direct access to major industry leaders. Schools like HEC Paris, ESSEC, and EDHEC have strong partnerships with top firms like Goldman Sachs, Rothschild, and BNP Paribas. With alumni networks spread across major financial hubs, getting job referrals and mentorship becomes significantly easier for you. Events like the HEC Finance Forum and EDHEC Career Days bring recruiters directly to students, making job placement seamless. Unlike the US, where work experience is often required for master in finance program, French schools are more flexible. Work experience is not mandatory for most programs, which is perfect for fresh graduates. To talk about GMAT or GRE scores, some top schools require it, but many accept strong undergraduate grades instead. For most schools, IELTS or TOEFL is required, but no French language proficiency is needed, which is a huge advantage. Now, on to the final question. Should you choose France for your master's in finance? Well, if you want to study in a country that offers top-ranked universities recognized worldwide, high employment rates with top global firms, scholarships to make education affordable, a post-study work visa that allows you to stay in Europe, a rich financial network and practical learning experience, then France is the perfect place for your master's in finance. If you found this video helpful and want personalized guidance on applying to top finance schools in France, reach out to us. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below if you have any more questions. We would love to answer them. And that was all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one soon.